she's back. Hi guys. Oh my god, it's been too mother trucking long. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much. I really do. It's just been crazy. You have no idea. I'll make a whole separate video on that, on how crazy it was, like what the issue was, etc, etc, etc. But so far, I kind of have everything balanced out. I just need to catch up a little bit up on school, but other than that, boy's doing good. I know I need a haircut. Don't judge me. I'm getting one tomorrow. Don't judge me. I know the holidays coming up, so I had to create a look, and hopefully several looks throughout December. I know it's kind of late. So today I'm going to be creating one out of many looks that I'm going to be doing this month. It's just going to be a merry, cherry, holly jolly looking goddess Christmas look. Okay, look. And so today I'm going to be using several palettes. So I already have my base done, as you guys can see. And if you guys want to see how I did it, you can go ahead and go on my Instagram. That'll be on somewhere on the screen somewhere. So it's like a little speed through translation, like Holly Jolly Christmas, funky good times, funky but chunky, yeah, funky. So yes, you guys, I'm gonna stop rumbling because like I am like lost for words on how like I didn't record. So I'm going to get started with this. Hopefully you guys love this. If you're new to the Love family, hit that big red subscribe button, and next to that is the notification bell if you guys are not part of this already, and so you guys get notified every time I upload a YouTube video. So I promise I will strive to post one video per week from now on, and hopefully it increases by then. So yes, I hope to, I wish I can, I wish I would, I wish I can make more. It's just with school, work, this, that, and I gotta tell you how many jobs I have now. It's crazy, muchos, es crazy. Oh my god, and I gotta tell you story time. Oh my god, there's so many story times that I can fucking do, I swear to god. So without further ado, let me get started with this. So like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be using several palettes, such as my Dirty Yet Crusty Dusted from about a year ago, Dare to Create palette 39A. And I'm going to be using such as like these transition shades right here. I was going to use this green, but it's not bright enough. But so that's why I'm just going to do red today, and then we'll see what goes on from there. But I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and I'm going to use Don't Mind Mirror, this shade right here to deepen up the outer side. Fetish is the name. So I'm going to be using this palette for sure. And I'm going to be, obviously, this is the main one that I'm going to be using because this is like the red palette, like the red palette. Blood Sugar from Jeffree Star Cosmetics as well. And the shades I'm going to be using out of this mostly is going to be Prick, Cherry Soda, Meat Fetish. Like today is mainly going to be like red, bold, like red. And so yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this, and further ado, let's get started. You see how bright this is? I'm so sorry, but it is standing out. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's get started. So my mirror broke, so I'm using this small one, and I'm sorry if it gets in the way. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, by the way guys, iPhone XX Max. I'm so excited. And firstly, I'm going to take the Morphe Y16 brush, which is just the eye blending brush to like, I use it to use as mostly as my transitions before I start anything. So I'm going to end up taking, because I want to kind of start off light, I'm going to take these two shades right here. I'm going to mix those and to create like a nice transition shade for all the reds and all that good stuff. I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild fluffy eye blending brush, and I'm going to grab the Blood Sugar palette. Like I said, I'm going to grab Prick first, and I'm going to, instead of doing what I normally do, if you loves remember, like I just usually do it in this part and then blend in the other colors. But for this video, I'm going to, in this eye look, I'm going to blend it all over the eyelid. I'm going to pick up a lot of product on my brush, as you guys can see. Focus. Focus, you see? And I like this brush because it's very soft and it distributes the product. It distributes the product like very nicely and where you want it to go. And it doesn't do it all at once. I'm going to take a small definer brush, eye blending brush, and I'm going to dip into cherry soda. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start deepening it up, starting from the outer V to the middle. I'm going to take a little bit of fresh meat, because it's kind of like purple, border red. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly layer that over cherry soda. It's hot. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you. And so now I'm going to go ahead and grab the Androgyny palette and I'm going to dip into Fetish and just deepen up that outer V, but I want to use a smaller detailing brush, the smaller version of that brush that I just did to blend in with fresh meat and cherry soda. And I'm just going to dip in there very lightly. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. I could be wrong, but... And now what I'm going to do is, because as you can see I have a little bit of excess right here, I kind of want to sharpen the edges of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Patrick's powder and I'm just going to dabble it a little on the top of the on here, and I'm just going to put some on the edge right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start from my bottom lower lash line and just put that. Just like that. And then when this is done baking, I'm going to do my inner corner and my lower lash line. Okay, now that the edges of those eyes are snatched, I am going to take the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics again, or as well. And I am going to be using the shade, I don't know yet. Because I want to use a glitter, but I don't know what glitter to use. I don't want to use this one, because it's going to be too bright in a way. Or, you know what? Oh my God. I just come up. Okay. I'm going to take this silver right here and I'm going to pack this all over the lid. But I am also going to take the concealer brush that I did my concealer, my eyes. And I'm going to take the residue off that. And then, because it's still kind of sticky. And I'm just going to pat this all over the eye. Whatever. And I'm going to take Divine with my finger. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to pack it on my lid. Now Divine looks so fine. Oh my God. So now that the silver is on the eye, I am going to take this green shade right here, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line, and I'm going to take this deeper one, and I'm going to kind of deepen it up, if you will. Okay guys, so I have the whole Christmas vibes going on. I added a pop of green under, so I thought it would look cute or whatever. So what I'm going to do now is throw on some mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back, and then we're going to do the glow and then the final review. Hey my love, so I got my lashes on, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the 24 karat Jeffree Star highlighter palette as my go-to 24/7, all the time, every time. I don't know if I have the video. I was supposed to put on a video, but it didn't go as planned. But this shade, Giza, fell out. If I can find it, I'll put it in right here. So my lashes are on and nice and popped and juicy and nice and fluffed out and stuff. So I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 24 karat gold highlighter palette. I live, I die, I live. Oh my God! Did y'all see that? No bueno. Oh my god, it just broke in half. Okay, put you back there. Where'd it go? I'm calling the store. So yeah, it did fall out and I was like pretty upset and I wanted to contact them, but I was like, I don't want to do all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Dark Horse right here and I'm just going to coat it down. I'm going to coat it and then I'm going to take my face spray. It's from let's give me the idea what the hell. Mario Bensiku. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's all for skin types. I use it as my setting spray, everything, because I like it and it does the job. So I'm really happy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just highlight as normal. And so now just to tie in with the colorful scheme, I'm going to take Legendary, which is a nice kind of reddish kind of highlighter. Well, it's a highlighter, but it's like kind of reddish, just to match the eye. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dip in there. Now this highlight is very subtle. It acts like a little blush, kind of put some like rosiness to the cheeks. So I like to just build it. Now, I'm going to take this out because this has not been used in a very long time. Now I'm going to use Poinsettia from Jeffree Star 2017, 2018. Well, last year's holiday collection. It's just a nice red metallic. If you guys can see, that will match. If not, we will deepen it up. But I'm just going to shake this up because it has not been used in forever, like I said. So this is going to be interesting. Already prepped my lips or whatever. So now what I'm going to do is find my mirror right here. And I'm just going to put on this liquid lip. Oh, nice, bright and bold. Alright, so now the face is done. I'm going to do a quick spritz. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm going to throw on my wig and I'll be right back. Alright, my loves, this is the final look with my hair and everything. Oh, don't mind the hand. So, yes, if you guys did enjoy this, then keep on watching. Hope you guys have a very lovely holiday. And yes, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, New Year to me. No, I'm just kidding. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this. And again, I do apologize for not posting in absolutely forever. So yeah, I will be posting one time a week or so, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I will strive to. Okay. You guys did not know, Christmas is my favorite holiday, like favorite holiday. I'm so happy. But yes, I love you guys so much. And if you guys are new again to this channel, then go ahead and hit that big red button next to that, which will be the bell icon, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Love you.